The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on Starboard Erase Tool. The Starboard Erase Tool is a versatile and efficient tool that allows you to erase content on Starboard interactive whiteboard. Using the Erase Tool enhances the user experience and facilitates seamless collaboration. One of the key advantages of the Starboard Erase Tool is its precision and accuracy. With this tool, you can erase content with great precision, ensuring that only the intended markings are removed. To start using the Erase tool, first, go to the Tools menu and select Erase. Next, you can control the size of the eraser by choosing from 3 different sizes. When it comes to erasing, you have 3 options available. First, you can erase from an image. Second, you can use the normal erase function. Finally, you also have the option to clean the entire page. By utilizing the Erase tool effectively, you can easily remove unwanted content and maintain a clean and organized whiteboard. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.